Presenting the Xiaomi 11i 5G. The phone has display of 16.94 cm, 6.67 inch. The phone also has Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It has 108MP rear camera. It has 16MP front camera. It comes with 5160 mAh Li-polymer battery. It has 8 GB RAM and expandable up to 1 TB. Expandable memory up to 1 TB, and 128 GB ROM. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor. It also features rear camera, front camera, and camera. The delivery box contains handset, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card, and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.